In front of me is HONOR X7A, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck, like that. Now install this free app from Flarto developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. As you can see, thanks to this app, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!